On the 7th and the 8th of December, you're now Ghana. You went to Ghana to hack the elections. The US government will jail you. Me, I'm telling you. I'll put your picture on this week, and I'll make sure say the elect two abana go do 430. I'm not talking about small boy be free. America buyer. Your friend Krom. Henry Krom. Sabo na fena ye beta no America. Our clearance our US government and oba Ghana say oba beden oba be hijack system no aba beden aba my Ghana for or no be election mama ye afena ye be ban so America matese waba. That boy, his name is Henry. Let me get the right name for you. But in the picture, what's your boy? The brother boy. And I'm going to say, boy, na boy, na ombe hijack a system that we got in send a be ya. Honest, boy, no. Let me get his full name. Maybe child you see, what's your for? I don't want to get his name wrong. Michael Krom. No, Raphael Krom. Raphael Krom. He did the Raphael, Raphael Krom. He didn't know. Quarm. That is the boy Omodenifa US. Edinburgh, Washington had to fly from here to New York to Ghana. And I've been the seat number in Acheampong. That's how I do Ghana. I was just watching him. That was the boy Omodenifa said, Anka Ombe hacking system, including hacking Obia or taking data of the election. Now Omonquano and my number. Until they had prepared the number. Omodenifa. Now, boy, the buy no. So I got to Tiger Ufi. Not Tiger to fear channel. And Raphael Krom, I'm going to report you to the US government. You will be jailed. There was a chat I was somewhere way Sikabu chairman $1.2 million. And I drew point Thursday and a joke. And I say so my money Sikana the Akana on to us on your election more. I can show you the emails and the exchange. On the exchange here. So a US government person, you Ghana Raphael Krom. Or no go find the buyer. And they flew into Ghana. And I catch him say the rest of the money no went here or $1.2 million. And my boy, Raphael Krom. Minim no or the no. And Obedu Ghana, Sana Jata Ghana, or you say Jata Ghana, na me train Ghana. You start election, and idea and say election end and he'll go in and shut the EC everything and then shut everybody down. Or the numbers now we generating because now our NDC for registered in every registered member of the NDC. That's how we know. The man, EC for the man. NCA, edgy free EC and the man Sabueno. So the boy knew where every NDC member, the police station, he had it. So the idea was that they were going to detect where the bunch of the vote were going to come from. But now, no, why are you not talking about the boy? Why are you not talking about him? I said, wait, because I'm money tunnel. And he will not take anything home. And on the day of election, you about 5 p.m., he was supposed to start work. Sana Jata will see. Jata to Ghana channel. Also, the computer, computer, say, and I was about at the end, I started, you're close to your post. Over the numbers, Yama, Yakoma, easy. Computer, the actual. I pick it. Najata will fear channel. I bought from what you had on. Every 4. Obedu Ghana, Najata will fear. Raphael Krom, that is your name. You went to Ghana recently. You were in Ghana. And I'll make sure, say, the US government, they will call you and ask you what you were doing in Ghana. Raphael Krom, the date of birth, what did you say? The date of birth. Small boy. What America being computer knowledge kakra. You want to use that to go hack another country's elections. Hey, Ubeko jail. Whoa. The date of birth, let me show you. You this boy. The passport crowing. Whoever, why would him Raphael Krom DC and one can just like Kevin Taylor say he was the one I was monitoring. He's back. You arrest him. Let me show you. Oh. You don't on my phone, so I pick it. Maybe somebody date of birth. They are into his profession. They will know who I'm talking about because only the date of birth is Shima. Now Ghana Kevin Taylor said Ghana so hack elections. What happened? Why did $1.2 million amount? In fact, let me show you a chat. I'll have it with the people. Let me show you the chat. I would say, what's your boy? Ubeko jail. Raphael Krom, that's his name. Let me see. It's not here. Time day. I'm chat no. Oh, small boy. Why this guy back Ghana say elections? Raphael Krom, wherever you are, I'm going to show you your chat. He was dealing with one guy called Ofori. Maybe publish with you now. Because for thank you for one time. One from one number is Joe Anoche number. Joe Anoche was the part of the people who brought him in. Maybe check the chat with Joe Anoche. The email, the chat with them, the WhatsApp chat. Your boy. Akwawi. I'm just saying in the man in there. I'm sure Joe Anoche. Joe Anoche. Let's see. Let me show you. When you now go jail every 4. Was your Joe Anoche? Was your penny? Whoa. I'm going to be make some more things. Election week. Was your here? What was Akwawi? I'm sure. Abofum. Mo, you didn't show me. Where's the other one? Yeah. I need to, this was the chat. Joe Anochi was in the chat. Joe Anochi. There's the chat. Hi, bro. All is well. Ofori J 0244634762. Check his number quick. Yao Kwache +1313-732-7874. Monfra Yao Kwache, what's up? The email address in Joe Anochi. The number near +1240593-2678. Ghana 0233020058-8568. We'll come back to you regarding website. I'm creating a whole website. Raphael Kwam. Unya piece of America. You go to jail. I will make sure you go to jail. Oko Ghana. You have clearance as somebody who works for the federal government. Oh, what am I laptop Ghana? Oko hack elections. You go to jail more than 20 years. You. Mon framo. I'm saying for back when you because you're we mo. Hey, mo information. Nipa mo ho. Anytime I'm sure mo no. So mo just Ghana for Jimmy on. The Bible cham email chain. Email. The Bible cham bebre mo. Me cham bebre. Me pese one day me adwuma wo nyina. Mo be cham abo mo. Me be mo ni be si Ghana. Into this is the charter. Now I'm just say very secured. Oh, where's this? Me yasa in the America crib, cham crib. Be say cham ade bi. Oh, now look at this. This is some of your chat. Oh, chat no. Any Ofori number was 02332446, the same number. Now pick this. Mon from. Dear Ofori, thank you for facilitating the remaining payment, $1.2 million. I will not disappoint you with the work. I will send you the time of operation before midnight today, Ghana. But date, no. Wait, this a message. This is how they were thinking of hacking and giving you people numbers. Elections, no? Yeah. The hacker was hacked in Ghana. They built a whole emailer, a chatter, and then they break election system, no? And it's not easy to remember number, no? Because easy was supposed to take results from those people. I'm not saying I'm gonna go for what we buy. Joe are not in a mass more way we free America buy. Joe are not on the coffee. I'm sure they are. You see this? Dear Ofori. And ye mention in Ofori. The status and say that here. Dear Ofori, I understand that you have set everything up and ready to move forward. Please follow the instructions I provided regarding the malware. So they were going to create a virus, and then they will use that. And then I almost send the brand and say, oh, click this. Bawumia says hello. Acheampong says hello. It was all to enter your system. Election day, I'm messing up. And I'll handle the rest. Please inform the big boss. The big boss is who? That I cannot proceed unless the remaining payment is sent. Thank you. End to end. What do you say end to end? End to end, they send your shit. Message and calls are end to end encrypted, and them outside of this chat. This is what they came to do before the elections. No? They had set up, I'm not even a leader, NSB, National Signal Bureau, Benjamin and some, Bernard and some, now I'm sure email. My mom can say, why would you Raphael Kwam and catch and second tell us so we could jail? This is their email chain. Samsung keypad or keyboard, contact Ghana top. Dates on device dates, time we use to device. You see, 2:27, 11:41, about top. Almost at 6:27 a.m. Now you see system UI 281920. Krom machine on the air. Call me on this number 020-058-8568. Thanks. And I'm about dear for you. I understand you have set. So this same conversation on WhatsApp, no, they moved it to the email. And in turn, I'm catch them say they will win the elections before 9 p.m. Yes, because they were very sure. Say Raphael Kwam, Moba, they were going to do the job for them. Because Raphael Kwam, they take it and say, Obedu on the day that day. Na Agyapong with Ghana. It's Raphael Kwam no. Then the Juma said to finish the hacking, and Aduna he leaves Ghana. Yeah. But Raphael Kwam no Obeto Jata Ghana, so he could not proceed. He came with a criminal intent. It's what they did and they say, na Omo NCA. Now we are the NCA into the idea, and it's not easy into my results. No, not easy. No, I'm trying my NCA for prepare results. Now I'm NSB. Mamika Bicho, National Signal Bureau. I'm old National Security Office. No, and I know we. Mamika maybe on Facebook for hackers. No, Mamika. Oko coffee shop. Opposite coffee shop. No, there's a building white blue gate. There's a building and on social media hackers. No. Right now, when you go to coffee shop, opposite coffee shop, no, there's a building there, a white gate, and one of my rent a Jubilee house, a hackers, and one of that blue house, blue gates. Bonko go. I'm booming the Moku. What's your forward together with you guys? I'm not see MP before the cover of Kwam by. Now, Abu Jinapor bought Damana. So Abu Jinapor. That man go sit no. Almost a penny be regional office and we declare Abu Jinapor. That man go don't agree to this nonsense. The people of Damango don't let this happen. Now the director mo ko chenem na. Ono Abu Jinapor Kwasia, he lost the seat. He lost the Damango seat. Now what they have done is say, Almost ballot to pesky to be their regional office, and I'm declare Abu Jinapor. No. Nobody should agree. And the EC office now Damango, they should go down because Abu Jinapor did not win the Damango seat. We all know Abu Jinapor lost the elections. Damango. The people of Damango don't stay home. Make sure this thing is overturned. And the Damango, no, EC office, no, you say no EC. Abu Jinapor cannot lead the people of Damango. Whatever the people of Damango will do, I will support because the people, what they want is not Abu Jinapor. Samuel Abu Jinapor can never be the MP of Damango. So the Damango people, Samuel Abu Jinapor, if he wants to force himself on you, then you people force yourself on his house. Or to the police for this, you people should not give him any space. The people of Damango do not allow Abu Jinapor tonight. Let that EC official reverse that result. You people should not sit home. Go there. Abu Jinapor boa. The results in the regional office. NDC no NDC. The parliamentary candidate is not there. NDC for monitor elections, no, they are not there. Samuel Abu Jinapor ask the paper be their regional office. No, we declare Samuel Abu Jinapor bend the regional office down. They need to see something tonight. Samuel Abu Jinapor cannot be the legitimate winner of that elections. No. I need to pick calls from Damango. More Damango. We want to hear from you right now. In fact, more friend Munjai. You can say I take a break, but no. The people in Damango, more Damango. If you're in Damango right now, listen to me. Call on this show. We want to hear because it doesn't have to happen in Ghana. No. Damango for this a WhatsApp line. More Damango is here on call. How can Abu Jinapor? You see, the electoral commission is full of foolish people. And the Mensa, the people don't want Abu Jinapor. They don't want Samuel Abu Jinapor. They don't want him. Samuel Abu Jinapor is a criminal. Damango for someone penal. Or he almost say penal. Why are you forcing Samuel Abu Jinapor on the people of Damango? The people of Damango, they don't want Samuel Abu Jinapor. Regional office without the NDC MP being around. NDC candidates being around, and then you declare the results without them. In the absence, you declare the results and say Abu Jinapor we need Damango. And again, you mention Damango because Damango for Abu Jinapor. That is a fact. And that Embrana you're imposing Kofo Krus. We cannot impose anybody on anyone in Ghana. What the people want is what they have to get. A man for sacrifice of life. You are sitting there in your home and saying, by force, you want to be the MP of Damango. You Samuel Abu Jinapor. Because Champagne now, Damango could never be there. Some question some son of the tour. And I'm taking a question. Let me see. We need to pick calls from Damango. One more friend Munjai. I need to pick calls from Damango. Some question way they need to stop in Ghana. They could for the some question way about Ghana politics. Now they could for the some question way about Ghana politics. Hello, caller. Hello, caller. Can you hear me? Damango for free. Yeah, no, but this should not happen. This should never happen in Ghana. It should never happen. Now I'm going to Ghana and say that by force you're money baby. Sanity. It's not supposed to be like that. Hello, caller. Okay, free.
Yeah, this is Tiger One from Damango.
What is happening there in Damango?
Yes. They only went and then organized some few people in a room.
No, but this should not happen.
Yes. We have been there since the day before yesterday because we knew that we have won the election.
It should never happen.
Don't listen to the TV, Tiger. Don't listen to the TV. You just keep speaking.
Okay, so this is what happened. So we've been there since on Saturday, and then we know we have won the election. So when the people came together, they said, okay, they should declare our parliamentary candidate so that we can go home. Because we know John was leading with a very big margin. But these people said no. So, and we never also knew the reason why they were delaying this thing, Kelvin. And to be very honest with you, the coalition started somewhere around 3 a.m. Okay. When the youth had to march there in their numbers, and they were demanding that no, they want to see their MP or they want to hear that their MP is declared as the winner. Kelvin, to be very honest, what happened in Damango? In fact, MPP they just want to create chaos in Damango. MPP is trying to create a very big chaos in Damango. So now they brought military to suppress the youth. And then finally the military was there brutalizing people here and there and then all those kind of things. But the youth didn't the youth resisted because they said no, they were not going to leave. Even Abu himself is not even Abu left Damango that Saturday night. After now, Abu is not there. Abu is in Bupe.
Samuel Abu Jinapor is in Bupe. He's not in Damango and
he's not in okay. Yes, he's not in Damango as we speak currently.
Okay. Thank you, Tiger. Yeah. Thank you, Tiger One. All right. We'll be picking calls from Damango. Hello, caller. All right. Hello, caller.
Hello, Kevin.
Good evening. Okay, free.
Kevin, but I'm free US.
Damango for no Mr. Mr. But maybe Damango for the Charles Amon Frey. Why?
Okay,
that's it. Thank you very much. All right. This should not happen. This is not right. These things are not supposed to happen. Hello, caller. Okay, free.
Hello.
Where are you calling from?
Yeah, Kevin. Kevin, good evening.
Okay, free.
Yes, I'm speaking from the Damango.
Go ahead. What's going on there?
Charlie, that man go the easy. So Jinapor. Or more fucking shit. Men so much crowd. But you knew about what to NDC, back to MP to Mudigana Sika. And no Mudigana Sika. Until Yom heavy. Momu say Ghana and Yomodia. What you see? Until man, we are one day, Yamin.
But I say,
Abangan money to say Abangan, you bet Yom Hodma.
but I say, hello, caller. I didn't question some Jinapor or Dino or Daman goes on. Obviously, say, because you're paying now Parliament of Padia. Huh? Who some Jinapor Parliament of Padia? Oh, papa, or your police paying out, retire away on him. And Quasia, you Kromono. I never want to go to Massy. And by force of MP, who made people to a command to amount. Jimmy, hello, caller.
Hello, good evening, Kevin.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Damango, but right now I'm in Bupi.
What is going on?
Yes, I want to tell you, please keep me anonymous. I work for Jinapor. As on the night that the voting finished, Jinapor, Abu himself called his senior brother and told him that he has lost the election. He confirmed it to the brother. So everybody knew he lost the election. So Kelvin,
what happened? What was? Well, yeah.
Yes, we all know, and we are all hoping for the Dalus guy to be declared as the winner, and EC has been holding it till day. Nobody knows about the declaration. They just went there, and even when they are declared, as of now, I'm telling you, Abu Jinapor is in his senior brother's house in Bupe. He's not in Damango.
So how did they declare without the candidates?
That's what is going on right now.
Who is that electoral commissioner rep there? Who is the director there? Who is that person? Thank you. You guys give me the name of that electoral commissioner at Damanguna who declare without a candidate around. You know? How can he declare elections without a candidate being there? Now young people work to Abaso. I'm up change. I'm a brother. Hello, caller. Where are you calling from? Okay,
yeah, I'm coming. Because Germany.
No, me pacho. You did Damango for the Casa. I'm from Free White.